Welcome back. It's time for the tech update everyone's been waiting for.
That's right. The experts are calling it a game changer.
Summer 2026 may become artificial intelligence, robotics, brain interfaces, and space exploration are advancing at the same time.
Global cryptocurrency market capitalization remains above $3 trillion, while AI and space industries attract record investment.
Analysts are watching a rare convergence of technologies that could reshape transportation, manufacturing, and scientific discovery.
Reports suggest a major space company could pursue a public listing near June 2026, with a valuation discussed in the multi-trillion-dollar range.
Such valuations reflect growing expectations for reusable rockets, satellite networks, and future space infrastructure.
Advanced AI systems are being trained with dramatically larger computing resources than ever before.
Researchers believe next-generation models may accelerate scientific simulations, engineering design, and medical research.
Driverless transportation services continue expanding in parts of Texas as autonomous fleets operate in controlled environments.
Supporters argue autonomous systems could eventually reduce accidents linked to human error.
Humanoid robots are moving from demonstrations toward real industrial applications.
Several companies are testing robots capable of repetitive and physically demanding tasks.
The global robotics industry is projected to grow significantly throughout the next decade.
Brain-computer interface research continues progressing toward human clinical studies.
Researchers hope future implants may help restore sensory functions and improve quality of life.
Experimental systems are being explored for individuals affected by severe vision loss.
Reusable launch systems continue reducing the cost of reaching orbit.
Engineers are developing technologies designed to support more ambitious missions beyond Earth.
Lower launch costs may enable larger satellite networks and expanded global connectivity.
The most important story may be how these technologies strengthen one another.
Artificial intelligence can help accelerate design cycles and analyze massive engineering data sets.
Robots can perform hazardous tasks, while humans focus on creativity and strategic decisions.
Future robotic systems may support construction and maintenance in extreme environments.
Brain-machine communication could one day reduce the delay between thought and action.
Together, these advances may create powerful feedback loops that accelerate progress.
Many experts compare this period to previous industrial and digital revolutions.
Human civilization transformed through agriculture, industry, and information networks.
The difference today is that multiple transformative technologies are advancing simultaneously.
Questions, once considered science fiction, are increasingly becoming engineering challenges.
The future will depend not only on technology, but also on human values and responsible choices.
Innovation expands possibilities, but wisdom determines how those possibilities are used.
History may remember this era
as a moment when multiple frontiers advanced together.
We are not only witnessing change,
We may have the opportunity to help shape it.